What does transmission fluid smell like? Have you ever wondered what transmission fluid smells like? Understanding this can be really helpful for new drivers, especially teenagers who are just getting into car ownership. Transmission fluid plays a key role in keeping your vehicle running smoothly, and its smell can tell you a lot about its condition. When transmission fluid is fresh and in good shape, it typically has a smell similar to petroleum or oil. You might notice a slightly sweet or tart scent, especially since this fluid is usually dyed red or pink. This is the smell you want to detect when checking your vehicle. It indicates that everything is functioning as it should. However, if you catch a whiff of something burnt, that's a different story. Burnt transmission fluid has a sharp, acrid smell that can be quite unpleasant. It might remind you of burnt toast or something that has overheated. This burnt odor usually means that the fluid has been subjected to excessive heat, causing it to break down. When this happens, it loses its ability to lubricate and cool the transmission effectively. For teenagers learning about car maintenance, recognizing these smells is important. If you notice that burnt smell, it is a sign that your transmission might be overheating. This could be due to low fluid levels, a clogged filter, or worn parts. It's essential to take action if you detect this odor. To check your transmission fluid, start by locating the dipstick under the hood. Pull it out, wipe it clean, and then reinsert it to get an accurate reading. If the fluid appears dark or smells burnt, it's time to consult a trusted mechanic. They can help you avoid costly repairs down the line. In summary, fresh transmission fluid has a petroleum-like smell with a hint of sweetness. If it smells burnt, that's a warning sign that needs your attention. Keeping an eye on these smells can help you maintain your car and ensure it runs smoothly for years to come.